Hey, it's been a while since I last uploaded a video, but then a lot of things happened in my life. Let me tell you on the good things. Well, actually, 3 months ago, I injured my lower back or the tailbone, and then I couldn't work out for 3 months. And then 2 days ago, I started going back to the gym, and I feel fantastic, man. And right now, it's 6:11. I was just writing some tweets on Twitter, and I thought, wait a minute, my YouTube channel is currently dead. So I'm like, you know what? I have to revive it. So that's why I'm making this video. Anyways, guys, for 3 months, I couldn't work out, I couldn't do anything. And 2 days ago, I started going to the gym and I feel fantastic, bro. But my body is fully sore. My tailbone was paining like hell, guys. I'm just glad it healed, man. And also, guys, right now I'm only focusing on mastering X. Well, currently I help people master storytelling so that they get more followers, more sales, more influence, and whatnot. So, right now I'm mastering that. I actually bought a new course which is from Benjamin Chan. I'm studying a lot. I'm studying about the psychology behind everything you write based on the tweets. So, yeah, man, these days all I do is study. If I'm not working on business, I'm reading a lot of books because I want to gain new perspective. I want to gain new knowledge so that it unlocks that new perspective change and changes my lenses so that I can see things in a different way, right? So right now I'm just stacking stuff. It's just slow grind. When it comes to my uni, guys, as always, it sucks, bro. The BS they teach, I don't resonate with that, man. Like, it's so ironic that everyone are working towards getting a job that will be replaced by AI. Like, what? So it's really funny and ironic, but you know what? I don't care, man. At the end of the day, I know that I will liberate from the system, so I just have to go through it. But then, is it hard? Of course. I be alone and I work on my business or I create content in college, and I don't resonate with anyone in the college, guys. Like, everyone are straight up fucking losers. I mean, not everyone, there are few people that are exceptions, but then you get the idea. All they talk about is fucking watching porn, gaming, going out, drinking, smoking, like all bullshit stuff, right? I don't even want to associate myself with those kind of people. Fuck that shit. One of the laws in the 48 laws of power states that avoid the unhappy. They're like fucking infections. They'll come into your life and ruin everything. Make sure you avoid such people. Today is November 12th, 2025, and let me tell you, I'm gonna explode on X, aka Twitter. I'm gonna put everything I have, bro. I'm gonna put my heart, my soul, and I don't care. I'm gonna explore and get more clients, and this will be my vehicle where I will finally liberate from the system. And also, it is winter art, baby. I'm gonna lock in. Wait a minute. I'm gonna lock in and work on my body, work on my mindset, and work on becoming the best version of myself. That's it, bro. I don't want any distractions. I don't want any new friends. None of that shit. All I have to do is work on myself, honor the gods, build a good body, build a good business, liberate myself from the system, and that's pretty much it. That's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to check in and let you know what's going on in my life lately. And not to mention that I do have exams coming up next week. So, I mean, exams is fucking easy, bro. I'll crack it. I don't even have to study. If the exam is tomorrow, I'm gonna study today and I'm still gonna ace it. Like, that's not even a problem. But yeah, I do still have my exams coming up. But that will not stop me from building my business and becoming the best version of myself. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you want to stay connected with me, I stay active on X, aka Twitter. I'll leave the link in the description so you can follow me, and I share a lot of thoughts, my opinions on life, storytelling, and whatnot. So make sure you follow me over there so that you stay connected with me. And I will make more videos like this. I will make more a day in the life of Vilas kind of videos in the future, that's for sure. But for now, work on yourself, become the best version of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.